Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Thermodynamic favorability depends on Gibbs free energy. Let's calculate the values for both temperatures to find our answer. You can master this chemistry. First, we use the formula delta G equals delta H minus T delta S. Since delta H is negative and delta S is negative, temperature will determine if the reaction stays favorable. At 398 Kelvin, we plug in our values. The negative enthalpy dominates the positive T delta S term, resulting in a negative delta G, which means the reaction is favorable. At 798 K, the calculation still yields a negative delta G. This confirms the reaction remains favorable at both temperatures, making option C correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.